The state, unfortunately, would like to go organic.
Kementri keberipet ya karap karyang, kokong Ampareen lingdo haka khandai terik ujemang, kalau ong baka sarkar Jylla kalau persyang maniale ban pha ieno, yakinong rem na kajing Pyndonkam ki Dawai Sboh haba rep bariang. Henry kalau ong ru bakat tukat ni ki mar rem ki Donkam ya ka Dawai Sboh. Haba keren kilat pathai khubor halor gajing bomdan ki Dawai Sboh aka Jylla, kokong Ampareen kalau ong.
We are allowing for provision of subsidy for farmers to utilize certain uh, fertilizer products. So we are going to be taking a call shortly, but nevertheless, certain uh, items of farming producers will be permitted to use some of these fertilizers. So yeah, the state unfortunately would like to go organic, but we have to wean farmers to ensure that they do not have or incur losses that will therefore deter them from continuing in the practice of farming and cultivation.
Kementri kalau benrap ru baka Jylla kadang pet ya kajing kata jong kajing kala kamariang, ban penti kenai kajing ne kamariang, bat komta ka sarkar kadang pet ikilat kilenti, kumno ban le hakabaya dei bat karap karyang.
The state of Meghalaya is looking at the importance of global warming, the importance of carbon footfalls, the importance of practices in the state of Meghalaya that will help us sustain the environment around us. So, we are now looking at a complete planned approach to wean farmers away from the from non-organic farming practices.